Kabalagyo.
Wait lang.
Hindi mag-ibi mo ha.
Dali lang, dali lang. Dali lang mo.
Secret.
I was lonely, you were with me. I was silent, you spoke up for me. I gave you peace to stay. And I fathered you tonight. And I loved and you believed in me. I was lost before you showed the way. And I'll remember the things that you said. And I followed my dreams with delayed. It was you. You are the reason I believe. For you. Life and I want to say. And my world is much brighter with you. Thank you for your unwavering dedication.
Wala na, wala na. Mag-ibi na kita.
Action showed me you don't know how much that meant to me. Pick me up when I fell through the cracks. I'll always rest. I still all because you have my back. Always remember the things that we said, and all my dreams were delayed. It was you. You are the reason I'm here today. I follow my heart just like you. You changed my life, and I want to say my world is much brighter with you.
Mag-ibi. Kapide ka pito.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mom. Thank you for all the things you've taught us. Please thank you sana sa way kami. We really appreciate everything. Thank you. We're lucky to have you as our teacher. I love you, Mom. Happy Teacher's Day.
Kasi ma'am. Slay! Slay ang cake!
Go, ma'am!
Go lang!
Go, ma'am! Ang cake ba, ma'am? Ano ba? Basta ko ba? Ito ka lang. Ngayon ang candy, ma'am. Oy, wait lang, ito lang. May coke pa, ma'am.
Lalagyan sa table natin ng Mama, picture ka, Mom! Di ba, Mom?
Binungay pa nila. Wala naman siya ito kanina store, ma'am. Yawa kami kita kaya.
Mama, kaya ang hindi na ko itis, Mom. Hindi na ko itis.
Lang ko.
Si video na. Si video? Uy, ba yung tanong nga ganun?